How do I add a new column to a Spark DataFrame, using PySpark? I have a Spark DataFrame, using PySpark 1.5.1, and would like to add a new column. I've tried the following without any success. Also got an error using this. So how do I add a new column, based on Python vector, to an existing data frame with PySpark?
You cannot add an arbitrary column to a data frame in Spark. New columns can be created only by using literals. Other literal types are described in how to add a constant column in a Spark data frame. Transforming an existing column. Included using join. Or generated with function, UDF. Performance-wise, built-in functions, PySpark.SQL.functions, which map to Catalyst expression, are usually preferred over Python user-defined functions. If you want to add content of an arbitrary RDD as a column, you can. Add row numbers to existing data frame, call zip with index on RDD and convert it to data frame. Join both using index as a join key.
To add a column using a UDF.
For Spark 2.0.
There are multiple ways we can add a new column in PySpark. Let's first create a simple data frame. Now let's try to double the column value and store it in a new column. PFB few different approaches to achieve the same. For more examples and explanation on Spark DataFrame functions, you can visit my blog. I hope this helps.